Hey everyone, if you want to save important moments from YouTube videos while you're learning, Glasp makes it quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to highlight YouTube videos with Glasp step by step. First, sign into your Glasp account and make sure the Glasp browser extension is installed in your browser. Once you're ready, open any YouTube video you want to watch. Next, start playing the video. On supported videos, Glasp will display its highlighting features alongside the transcript or supported interface. If a transcript is available, open it to make highlighting easier. Now select the sentence or transcript text you want to highlight. Once you select the text, click the Glasp highlight button to save it to your library. If you'd like, you can also add a note to your highlight. This is a great way to save key ideas, explanations, or reminders for future reference. After saving your highlights, open your Glasp library anytime to review them. You'll find your YouTube highlights organized along with your notes, making it easy to search, revisit, or export your learning materials later. And that's it. Now you know how to highlight YouTube videos with Glasp and keep your favorite learning moments organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.